How to make a character definition to character AI. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up character AI application. Now tap on the plus icon to create. Now select character. Now name your character. Now click on next. Now give your Now describe your character image. Now click on next. Now enter the greeting or you can also generate it from AI. Now click on next. Tap on next. You can set it public or private. Now tap on add character definition. Now enter your definition, click on done and tap on close. Now tap on create and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.